I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place, yeah. How you keep staying the same.
You seen the state of our body?
Right, if I beat it, I ain't wearing a Johnny Adiola. Wanna roll with the keys. You see me on the lifestyle, sweetheart. Actually, I don't give a shit. I'm a rapper now, might as well live in it. Smoke up in my hotel, feeling it. You can do what you like, darling, no, they don't give it. Still get brain when I smoke cigarettes. White boy wasted, coke get wet. But my big brown in love roll with the zest of my English bread.
Paella is a perfect family dish. Dad gets to whip out the rarely used grill, Mom gets to indulge in a glass of sangria and pretend she's in Spain, Millen gets to cook, and I get to eat. We used to go to a restaurant in downtown DC monthly in order to indulge in our paella obsession, but the restaurant closed, leaving our family with a huge paella void. So we forced Millen to step up to the metaphorical and literal plate to make us some authentic saffron-infused paella. I'm allergic to shellfish, so I have to scrounge around the clams and the shrimp, but occasionally Millen takes pity on me and makes a whole shellfish-free version. This one also had chicken and chorizo. It's one of the great things about paella. As long as you've got the perfectly crisp rice, you can mess around with the protein, even add some veggies in there, and it'll taste simply delicious.
Hi my loves, so today I'm going to show you how I make Nando's paella. We're going to start off with some chicken thigh and season it with just a few things because we're going to use the Nando's basting anyway. You can use whatever type you want, but of course I choose extra hot because I love chili. And then we're going to get all that juicy and start on the rice. This is everything. You're going to add some salt, oil, turmeric, and chicken stock instead of water. And this is what it should look like. Now for the veggies, fry them all up. Add some vegeta and curry, add some tomato paste and this crushed chili. I just got it from Aldi. And then you're gonna combine the two, mix everything all up. Super simple. You can add the chicken on top or you can leave it on the side, whatever you want. But this is super easy to do, super quick. It tasted literally better than the Nando's paella because it has a lot more seasonings. Try it out, let me know how it goes.
I wanna be the one you're guiding, 'cause I believe that you can lead the way. I just wanna be somebody to someone, oh, I wanna be somebody to someone, oh, I never had nobody and no road home. I wanna be somebody to someone. And if the sun starts setting, the sky goes cold, and if the clouds get heavy and start to fall, I really need somebody.
Chequen esta receta de paella que está deliciosa. Lo primero es sofreír nuestra cebolla con pimientos ya picados. Agregamos el pollo y sazonamos directamente. Agregamos el chorizo y agregamos el arroz junto con nuestro jitomate molido y nuestro caldo de pollo. Sazonamos y es momento de agregar nuestros mejillones y camarones al gusto. Tapamos para que se cueza nuestro arroz, pero vean qué fácil es hacer una paella en casa. Shake, Sonora, shake it all the time. Work, Sonora, work your body line. Work, Sonora, work it all the time. You can talk about cha-cha, tango, waltz or the rumba. Sonora dance has more title. We jump in the saddle, hold on to the bridle. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time.
Of me making it right now. Okay, so that last thing that you saw were my chopsticks. Okay, so it actually smells really chickeny. I think that's because that yellow stuff was broth. So this is